Alright everybody, figure I'll do this really quick too. So I made a nice, somewhat pricey order to Diode Dynamics. Those 4 little flipping bulbs are damn near 50 bucks shipped. But they're the best of the best apparently, so we're gonna put that to the test and check it out. Upon opening your Diode Dynamics paperwork, give you that, your packing slip, this stuff, that mumbo jumbos, and there should be, yeah, a sweet ass decal. But they did come in a nice packaged envelope. Everything is all, should be all good. About to test these little guys out. I got these for down here because these are burnt out, as they always usually tend to be on these trucks. And I got these for the plate tags because they are both burned out. So since they're out, I mean, I really don't have a before and after to compare it to, so we're just gonna put them to flip in. Well, I guess I was somewhat wrong about the plate tags. So they did have bulbs in them, but they were dim as crap. But these, I know the camera's not going to show it all that great of justice. Those are bright in the daylight. Very, very visible. And also, that's a stock filament bulb. These are extremely bright. I'm pretty sure the marker lights are going to be brighter than the running lights. They're very nice. So that really makes me anxious to want to give Diode Dynamics a lot more business and to really load this truck up. It's gonna get expensive. We got another little project we're gonna do here really quickly. The lack of offset compared to the front. So we got the fix for that sitting in here. I'm not gonna do like a how-to video. There's plenty of wheel spacer videos, but I made an order to Bora. We got some 2-inch hub centric, top of the line, made in USA Bora wheel spacers. Very good packing. Branded, large hub, good studs. Come with your lug nuts, and a little bit of literature that you may need as well. And I've already gone ahead and installed the passenger side. I'm gonna do a speed up montage of installing this one and then I'll reveal it. So here's what we got, and here's what we result. Sticks out with the front much better. You almost always have to go with 2-inch spacers on a Chevy, no matter what. These were torqued on by an impact gun by a shop. They're probably 300 foot-pounds. Oh yeah.